Hello, everyone. This is Mr. Ponte. I hope everyone is safe and enjoying themselves right now. Welcome to the intro vid for the online portion of this course. If you're watching this, it either means one of two things. Number one, we've either had some major disruption to the usual instruction that I give you on a normal basis, or B, you just go ahead and you needed to see this and I assigned this for after hours. Let me go ahead and say this though. This is personally exciting for me. I've been meaning to go ahead and make you some YouTube content in it for a while, mainly because just to go ahead and expand your learning beyond the 90-minute periods that I usually give you. So it's actually nice to be here right now and to actually do this. It also is kind of nice to go ahead and actually give you the experience to learning online. I'm going to say this. Recent studies have estimated that it takes about a third of your courses to go ahead and actually you guys will be learning online. That's the way it is, especially if you happen to be in college. I'm going to say I usually do PDs a lot during the courses of the school year. And also, I also have, as of this recording, I'm going to Cal State Fullerton. I'm taking their online courses to earn my own master's degree. And usually I can count the number of times I've met the professor on one hand live, okay? Usually what happens is that usually it's like me and you guys right now. It's usually just me talking onto a screen or giving you some audio to a PowerPoint, and that's how I mainly stay in contact with them. We stay in touch with emails and such. So this is actually kind of the things that we actually had to take advantage of. It's something that you do need to remember. There is this back and forth thing, but it's actually a pretty exciting time in terms of content, in terms of the class, and I hope you guys are actually thinking about how this is going to proceed in the future. I do want to go ahead and take this time here in this intro video to explain some of the advantages and disadvantages of taking an online course like this, and also what are some of the ground rules that needs to be applied to you, okay? First of all, I just want to talk about the advantages for you, obviously. First of all, you have the power to pause this video whenever you want. You can pause me right now, especially if you need to take notes on something, or if you happen to miss a comment. You can also rewind the video if you need to, just to be sure you can listen to something that I said, and be sure you have a full comprehension of things. You can start this video again from the beginning. You can listen to me more than once. This is not stuff you can usually do in a lecture, okay? And it's actually a nice advantage for you. That being said, for me, although it takes me longer to publish one of these videos, I only have to do this once, and I can guarantee for all of you, you guys are also getting the same video here. It's not like I'm changing quality from time to time. Also, for both of us, you are enjoying this video without any interruptions. So basically, there's no people talking to the back. You don't have your friend distracting you right now. It's actually a nice time, and if you know any of that happens, you can obviously rewind and be sure you get the full main points, but it may take you longer. You may find this to be one of the things that actually has to happen as you keep going, rewinding videos, just being sure you get the full comprehension of every video as you move on. Okay. That being said, you may find this an advantage or disadvantage. I am trapped within this 420p box right here. I mean, you notice this is about all the space you're going to see me. I cannot pace around the room and actually monitor you guys. So you can take that either way you want. But to start off on some of the disadvantages leaping off from that point. Number one, I cannot get a good read on the class right now. You can be totally not comprehending this video right now, and I would not know. It's kind of sad actually to think about it, but if you need help or questions, it'll be up to you to go ahead and grab that for yourselves. And that's kind of the thing about online learning. It takes an increased amount of responsibility on your part. So if you need any help or questions, please be sure you're posting on the comments below. You're actually emailing me if you do have a question, and also there's after hours too. Or my personal office hours, which may be happening on Thursdays, okay? Hopefully we'll be holding live streams so you guys can email me or be sure that you're getting things and those questions answered, and you can participate in those too, and we can get that back and forth that you need. As I said, I usually met the professors most live on one hand, and sometimes we do these live streams just to be sure we're keeping in contact and are all on the same page. But that's all going to be dependent on you to attend that live stream and be sure we have everything in place. Okay. So that's what we have. I could also be going a little faster than you like right now. I will not have a read on that, but again, it's pausing, it's rewinding, it's being sure you have everything you need to right now, and everything else. Anyway, some ground rules and things to remember as you're taking an online course right now. Number one, be sure you're keeping on time and keeping track of any assignments or posts I give on Schoology. If you go ahead and you click on Schoology right now, you may notice there is actually a new assignment that goes with this video, and I'll be explaining that later. You also want to keep track of when office hours are going to be and when I'm going to start live streams, so you can go ahead and I can give you questions, I can answer your questions and comments as needed. Okay, so please be sure you're keeping on time with your assignments. That will be more necessary now more than ever. Okay, I will actually be grading harder on assignments that are late as of currently. Okay. Also, it's your responsibility, as I said before, to go ahead and ask for help during office hours and attending everything, being sure that you're on top of everything as needed. If you need help, please email, comment below, or attend the office hours that are part of the live stream on Thursdays. I'll go ahead and try to announce when that's going to happen, when during the day. Okay. Also, I'm going to say this. Please be respectful of each other as you keep moving through this course. You're going to notice that it may be harder for me to produce these videos. I'm kind of actually new at this, but the thing is, if you're asking the same question and spamming me, it'll be taking me more time to answer your question and go through your spam and actually get to questions that you may want answered or need to be addressed or comments that need to be called back to. So that's kind of some of the ideas that need to happen as we go through this course. So please be respectful. Don't waste some time just trying to say hi, Ponty, and everything else. Be sure you're asking questions and you're not asking the same one 3,500 ways or 3,500 times, okay? There's some people that are spending some valuable time on this course, and we only have so much time that we can go live or I can produce these videos, all right? Also do note, I am going to be referencing some other online content. Please be sure you're looked out at Schoology. I have like about 3 popular channels that I refer to when I'm developing lesson plans. Lately, there's been 2 by the same person. His name is Kyle Hill online. Please be sure you check out his videos. I will post them under my favorites for this channel. But he is actually an amazing science content creator, and I hope you guys get to go ahead. Maybe we'll try out a few videos together, and we'll have a live stream dedicated to that. Today I found out it's by a guy named Simon Whistler. He actually has some fascinating ideas, but they do relate to physics. Crash Course has always been a favorite of mine when it comes to physics, and there may be others that I refer to that I cannot wait to show you, but that will go ahead and beef up this course, give you another person to turn to in the case that you may not be understanding me at the moment. Okay, other than that, right now, on Schoology, there's also going to be a quiz, and that will allow you to assess your online learning. Mainly, this quiz has been given to people who are taking online learning for the first time, just allowing them to self-evaluate, see where their strengths and weaknesses are, but also to see if they're doing online learning right. And I know it's kind of no-brainer to this, but there are some things you probably want to keep track of, and during this quiz, it's just made to make you self-aware about things that may happen as you go online. When you're done, your requirement is to go ahead and screenshot the certificate that is given. It will probably give you the evaluation on your online learning, and you'll be turning that in through Schoology and just taking note of the good habits of online learning as time goes on, okay? Just be sure that you go ahead and have that done. That will be due in about 2 to 3 days from this video's posting, all right? In the meantime, I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys are having a good time. And I will see you later as we go ahead and continue our journey. Okay. And I'll see you guys later.